Mr. Harshal Gala, CEO of Navneet TopTech, visited Rosary High School, Badlapur, for an insightful interaction with Ms. Rasika Tembulkar, the director of the school. The visit focused on engaging with students and educators, discussing digital adoption and strengthening the school's collaboration with Navneet TopTech.
What are your thoughts around how do we tell students on how to smartly or responsibly use technology? And once they feel like they need to learn through videos or animations, then they feel like they need to do that at home as well. And then, different apps and different distractions take over.
We give sufficient time to our students, in school itself, that they explore the Top School platform, the technology platform. Because of the interactive classroom sessions, I don't think they need something extra that they have to go home and refer it back.
Yeah.
If things are cleared in the classroom itself, then why do we need technology at home?
Yeah.
So I tell my teachers, instead of having the lecture method, of course the traditional chalkboard method is needed. But apart from that, when we are giving the digital content, discussing things out, ensuring that the AI powered tool is used for the purpose of assessment, and when you know that all the learning outcome is achieved, now why does a child need to go back home and re-refer the whole thing? So I think we are limiting the time that the child spends on technology.
Super.
One best thing about Top School is that when it comes to knowing whether the product is very well used by the schools, they give certificates and motivation to the teachers who use it the maximum. So they feel they are acknowledged. So they start using it.
That's the first response we get from anyone. They always say, one more task, why we want to do one more thing you are introducing.
Yes.
But then once you start using it, you start seeing the benefits of it. You start seeing time being saved. You start seeing productivity keep increasing.
Yeah, it is fun because it is very interactive. It gives brownie points, and if the child finishes the whole assignment within a time limit, then they are recognized on the dashboard. So this builds in interest. But how schools can make sure that this is done very well, then they need to make a plan, so that...
Absolutely. Integrating of all these unique ideas into the actual course and then having the right risk and rewards for the students, the teachers, parents. Right. That is the way, each implementation will also be successful.
Our schools are valued partners, and we strive to continuously improve and deliver the best solutions to our users. Reach out to us to learn how we can work together to make your school a top school. Call 1800-266-6676 or visit www.navneettoptech.com.